Hello everybody. This is follow up of what I did yesterday. So yesterday we saw how this indicator performed for Nifty. So today same last 6 months Bank Nifty on a 15-minute chart, how this indicator is performed when compared with buy and hold strategy. So that's what we are going to see today. The strategy holds the same. Whenever you see the buy signal in the indicator and when the buy signal high is broken, buy it and exit when you get the sell signal. Similarly for this, whenever you get the sells, when the sell signal low is broken, you take a sell position and exit the position when you get the buy signal. Okay, that is a strategy in addition with the indicator. So this is from the period of November 1st to mid of November. So the total profit we gained was 4,370 points and there was no loss in this particular period. And if you see the number of trades we did in this particular period is at cost 2 trades, profitable trade was 4 and loss trade was 0. So total trade was 6. And then for the period of mid-November to November end, the total profit point was 2,500. Loss point is minus 200 and number of trade at cost is 303. So at cost is what we discussed yesterday as well. So at cost is you entered either buy or sell and you exit at the same cost. There was no loss except the brokerage. So that has been considered as at cost trade. So that was 3. Profitable trade was 5 and loss trade was 1 and totally it was a 9 trades. So just to re-insist on the strategy, the strategy is simple. So assume this is a buy. Okay, here we have a buy. So whenever the buy, this is the buy signal candle. This signal candle high is broken by this candle. So we are taking a position here and then we are exiting here. This is for buy trade. Okay, and for a sell trade, here. So this is the sell signal and the sell signal low was broken somewhere here. We take a position here and then we got exited somewhere here. This is the opposite call. So this is the sell trade. No is something like where, for example, here we have a buy call but the buy signals high was not broken at all. So this is the no trade zone. Similarly for the sell, this low was not broken. So this was a no trade zone. At cost is something like this. So to just to convey that at cost, mostly it will be either at minimal profit of 30 to 50 points in Bank Nifty. So those trades also are considered at cost conservatively. Okay. So here there was the sell call and then it went down and then we got the buy signal which we exited somewhere here. So we took a position somewhere here and we exit somewhere here. So this is at cost trade. Okay, so that's how I categorized trades into 3 categories: at cost, profitable trade, and loss trades. For profitable, we noted a points here, and then for loss, whatever points we made has been captured separately. So this is for this mid-November to this November end. So for the first 2 weeks of December, this is the profitable trade was 850 points and loss points was minus 300. Number of trades at cost, we had 5 trades, profitable trade was 5 and the last trade was 2. Totally we made 12 trades in this period. Yeah, so this is from mid-December to December end. Total profit points was 3000. There was no loss in this particular period. Number of trades at cost 2, profitable trade 6, loss trade 0. So totally we had 8 trades in this period. So this is from Jan first week to mid of Jan. Profit points was 1100 and loss trades was minus 400. Number of trades total at cost is 6, profit is 2, loss is 2. So totally 10 trades we have done in this particular period. So this is from mid Jan to Jan end. Profitable points 1800, loss points was minus 300. Number of trades at cost, we had 1 trade, profitable trade was 4, and the loss trade was 2. So totally we have 7 trade in this period. So this is a combination of Jan end and Feb first and second week. So from 27th Jan to 9th or 10th Feb. Profit point was 6350 and the loss point is 0. Number of trades at cost, we had 4 trades, profitable trade was 3 and loss was 0. So totally we had 7 trade in this period. This is from 9th Feb to 23rd Feb. Total profit point is 2250 and loss point is minus 100. Number of trades is 2, at cost is 2, and then profitable trade is 5, loss trade is 1. So totally we had 8 trade in this period. Similarly, this is 24th of Feb to 10th of March. Profitable point is 3700. There was no loss trade. Sorry, no points has been lost. Number of trade totally is 11. Similarly, for 10th March to 25th March, we gained 1800. We lost minus 200, and the total number of trade is 10. From 24th March to April 10th, we gained 1600 and then we lost minus 300. Total number of trade is 10. For the period of 9th April to 26th April, totally we gained 5450 points and we lost 200 points. Total number of trade is 8 trades. And this is from 22 to May end. Total point was 2400. Sorry, total profit point was 2400 and we lost minus 300, and total number of trades is 6. So we saw a 15 minutes chart for the last 6 months, and the summary is this. Totally, if you have a buy and hold strategy for Bank Nifty, we made 8400 points. Using this indicator along with the strategy which I explained, the total profit point is 37,170 and the total loss point is 2300. Compare the risk reward ratio, 1 is to it's actually close to 15. Okay, that's how the risk reward ratio with the strategy. And what is the maximum loss in a trade is 200, and what is the maximum gain in a trade is 4000 points. So even just compare the power here. The maximum loss just 200 in a trade, that's it. But if the trade is good and we ride it, the maximum we gained was 4000 points. And the total number of trade in the last 6 months for Bank Nifty, including at cost trade, profitable trade and loss trade, totally is 112 trades. That's a period of 6 months. Okay, so if you compare Nifty's buy hold and this strategy, it's actually we have 1:4. Yesterday we saw for Nifty it's close to 1:3, but for Bank Nifty it is 1:4 because the Bank Nifty is very volatile when compared with the Nifty. So that is the reason we have an upper hand, because we used to trade both buy and sell at the early stage and try to ride even the short trend and try to get 200-300 points consecutively for long trend. Okay, that's the power of this indicator. If you are interested in this indicator and want to buy it, you can reach me at simplifiedstrategies7@gmail.com. We can discuss in the commercial part. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.